Huawei is rumored to launch new smartphones under the Nova series in the coming weeks. Recently, the leaked images of the case gave us an idea about how the device might look. Now, two new Huawei smartphones with the model numbers CTL10 and CAL10 are spotted on the 3C certification website. These two devices will reportedly launch as Nova 5 smartphones. Interestingly, the 3C listing revealed these two upcoming smartphones to support 40 watts Huawei supercharged fast charging technology. Till date, only the flagship Huawei smartphones like the newly launched Huawei P30 Pro came with 40 watts fast charging support. Even the Huawei P30 and new Honor 20 series come with 22.5 watts fast charging adapters. The Nova 5 smartphones might become the most affordable smartphones to support 40 watts supercharged technology. Earlier this year, Oppo launched the Oppo R17 Pro smartphone with 50 watts SuperVOOC flash charge technology. While Huawei also introduced 55 watts supercharged technology, it is made exclusive to the Huawei Mate X foldable smartphone. Talking about the Nova 5 smartphones, we are yet to get the official confirmation about the launch of these devices from the company. Based on the earlier leaks, the Nova 5 comes with the triple camera setup on the rear. The earlier launched Nova 4 and Nova 4e also came with triple rear cameras. The Nova 5 is also rumored to come with a punch-hole display and in-screen selfie camera. The leaked image of the case confirmed the Nova 5 to come with the 3.5mm headphone jack. Just like the Nova 4, the new Nova 5 might also come powered by the flagship Kirin chipset. While the Nova 4 came with 10nm Kirin 970 SoC, the upcoming Nova 5 could sport the 7nm Kirin 980 SoC. It will be running on the latest Android 9.0 Pie based MIUI 9.0 out of the box.